Hi, I'm Troy Guyette, Key Account Manager at Retro. What we have behind us is one of our lube stations for one of my clients at Roy Hill. This lube station is designed for satellite workshops on the mine site because the pit is approximately about an hour from the heavy mechanical equipment workshop. So to increase the efficiency and speed up the servicing times, they have these lube stations strategically placed around the servicing area and around the mine site. So this particular unit is fitted out with five 5-to-1 Mechlube piston pumps, which are operated by a compressor. So they're pneumatically powered, means that they're air powered, so there's no electrics or anything like that involved. And the other thing as well, it's got a Graco Husky pump in there, which is primarily used to disperse coolant. Now the other really cool thing about the Mechlube pumps is they've got pumping power and they've also got suction power. So we've got one of those pumps used as suction for suctioning waste oil to an external waste oil tank. This lube station that we've got behind us is designed to fit 5 IBCs, which is in compliance for the Australian standard. There's actually 5 or 6 projects like this on the scope. However, this one came about out of a matter of urgency. So the lead time for this was typically about 40 days, and that's what we typically will promise our clients with anything heavily modified or heavily custom.